Mom, I just looked outside and there was a bunch of snow outside and it's really snowing a lot. Yeah. We should go. We should go on an adventure into the snow and unknown.
I am in favor of the dog being rid of the house. Pets, yes.
Hey, I can hear you.
Pets and no dog. That sounds pretty good to me.
You're so mean.
I vote for the dog leaving, and then you leave her in the forest.
You're so mean. I'm mad at you.
Good. 2 hours later.
This was the best idea ever. Stick. It's all the sticks in the world. Oh, another stick. I'm gonna get every single. Another stick. This is the best ever. I like that this is the funnest ever. And this was the best idea in the world. We're gonna run around everywhere. It's so much fun, guys. In the forest. Running in the forest of the snow. Running in the forest of the snow. Am I gonna be a model? I've never modeled before. I'm a little nervous. I don't know what to do. Should I look this way? Maybe I'll look more epic if I look that way. Yeah. Please capture my pretty dramatic dog side. Yeah. I want to be a dramatic dog, but awesome yet cool, so that everyone would want to be like me, like the awesome dog that I am, the banana. Yeah. Get my profile. I think that will work. Epic dog. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this episode and that you share this video with all your friends and subscribe to this channel if you already haven't so you don't miss out on future videos. Since this is episode number 9, on the 10th episode it should be super special, and if I can get 200 thumbs up on this video, I'm going to invite a special guest to be a YouTuber that's special and an animal, and it's a secret super special surprise. So to find out, get 200 likes. Go!